Astra Vibes. Now I will demonstrate to you how to download your bona fide certificate, and also I will tell you information regarding the ABC credentials that you must add in this. So now go to academics, and in academics click on the bona fide certificate. So you will see two types of bona fide certificates available for you. That is one general copy and one education loan copy. So click on the general copy and take the printout of the bona fide certificate and keep it safe with you. And also take a copy of education loan and take the printout of it and keep it safe with you. So don't click on the bona fide request, that it will show you to take the copy for these things. So don't do this one. Go to bona fide certificate and from here you download it. Now I will demonstrate you what to add in the ABC credentials. Open the ABC credentials. It will show this page. So then you add your Aadhaar card number, enter it correctly. So then upload your Aadhaar card photo here. Then student name as per the Aadhaar card, and ABC ID, that is your APAR ID, you must download it from your DigiLocker. So there will be a 12-digit number like Aadhaar number. So you want to enter that ABC ID here. Then you want to upload that ABC file here, that is downloaded from the DigiLocker. So EMIS data, you click on the button as no and click as save. So the controller of examination will verify it and they will accept your ABC credentials. So why you are adding this ABC credentials? It is very important that your credit transfer, what you are writing the exams, the credits will be transferred into your APAR ID. So this is very important. All members do it. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.